In this video, I will show you how to set 4K video screensavers on your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to set video screensavers on your smart TV, this is exactly what you can do. Now, to do that, the first thing you have to do is to install this application called Downloader, which is going to allow you to install the application that is going to help you set videos as screensavers. To install this application is very easy. If you don't have the application, check the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to show you how to install the application. Once you install the application, all you have to do is to launch the application. Now, what this application does is that it shows you sources on the internet you can install files and medias to your smart TV. Now, the application we are going to be using to set 4K video screensavers is called Area Views Screensaver, and that's the keyword there. So you can go ahead and search it in the Downloader app. Once you've written the keyword, all you have to do is to click on Go. Once you click on Go, Downloader is going to show you the various sources on the internet where you can install the Area View Screensaver, and you go ahead and choose the first option. Once you choose the first option, it's going to come over here where you can install the application to your smart TV. So you just have to go ahead and install the application. It's very easy to use. After installing the application, you just go ahead and launch it and then choose the video you want to set as your screensaver on your smart TV. It's very easy to use. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.